Hello. In this video I'm going to show how to measure the grain size in a steel material. So I have opened up the Grain Size Manager tool, and the first thing we need to do, at least the very first time, is to decide how to work. So we are going to use AI to detect the grain size boundaries. And we're also going to use 5 horizontal lines, but you can choose among random lines, manual lines, horizontal lines, lines in a clock pattern, the Hillard 1 circle, or the Abrams 3 circles patterns. Let's go for 5 horizontal. And the algorithm, we have the legacy, which is backward compatible, and we got the ASTM-112, where you can count half counts and 1.5 counts if you like. So this is a one-time setting. Next one is just for the report, so we can fill in order ID, sample ID, who's doing it, etc., etc. And it will appear on the report. Let's type just an order number we can remember. And then the measurement. The only thing we need to do now is to add a new field of view. And it will use AI to detect the grain boundaries. So right now we see the horizontal line overlaid on the ground boundaries. And as a user, you have the final say if there is anything you don't like or anything that has been missed. If you're happy with the result, just press right click and the next line appears. It looks good. Right click. It still looks good. We've got the bottom line and the top line. So if we're happy with this, maybe we forgot one here. So I add one. We just simply go for another field of view, like this, and we add another field of view. The image is segmented, or the boundaries are detected, and the same procedure. If we want, we can count intersection among 3 as 1.5. Then I double click on that position and it appears in another color. Yeah, here's one detected by itself. Yeah, we're happy with this. So now we have measured only 2 fields of view, but you can continue as long as you want. On the right hand side we can see the grain size measurement, or the average grain size measurement, on the first field of view and on the second. They're almost identical. And the G value and the number of intersections. Here at the bottom section we see the grand total. So it's 30.44 in this case. And when this number becomes green, it means you have measured, according to ASTM-112, enough samples. In this case there are very little difference between the two. So a proper value, or a low relative accuracy, or high, I should say, relative accuracy has been achieved. And you might have other ideas of how many interception you want to count, sometimes over 500. It's up to you. But now we're done, and the final step is to create a report. And the report looks like this in this case. So the order number we typed in the beginning is here, the user, that's me, the date, the method used, the procedure, horizontal lines, magnification, and all values you need. The first image is here, and then the results, and then comes the measurements for each individual field view. That's pretty much it. Hope you liked it.